Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out another case from Latercase. So I recently actually opened one for my iPhone 13 Pro, and I finally got the one for my Pixel 6 Pro. So it generally takes a little while for Latercase to release their cases when a new phone releases. It is kind of annoying because if you don't want to buy another case other than the Latercase, you're gonna have to go bare with your phone. And this phone right here, I've heard a lot of stories where people have just dropped it, and especially because of the edge display, they've cracked their devices. So I did actually purchase a case until my Latercase came. I actually purchased a couple. One of them was the Ultra Hybrid I was using right here. And since the phone is already a pretty huge phone, adding a case to it just adds too much thickness and it gets uncomfortable when holding it, especially since I don't have the largest hands, and it does get annoying. So it gets a little thick, gets heavier, and it's just harder to use one-handed. So right here I do have a Latercase, and again, as I said, I already purchased one from them, and I went ahead and got the one for my Pixel 6 Pro because I really loved it on my iPhone 13 Pro. So one downside that I can already tell you, since I've been using one of their cases for another device, is that it does not offer the best protection. Don't get this case if you want something to protect your phone. This will not offer, it offers basically no protection other than like the back and stuff, and you will definitely scratch up your phone, or if you do drop it, it might crack. So there is a high chance of cracking your device. The reason for that is because it's only 0.6 millimeters thick, and that is just that's basically the thinnest case that you could probably find out there. So let's go ahead and open it up. So here we have really nice packaging. I really love their packages, and overall it's very simple. You know, we get a little bit of information here. So ultra thin, 0.6 millimeters, featherweight, 10 grams, superior texture, and the texture is really nice. I don't know if it's the best out there, but for now it feels really nice in the hand. 5 times stronger than steel. So they actually use aramid fiber. In my previous video about Latercase, I actually said they used carbon fiber. I'm sorry about that, but they do use something called aramid fiber, which is very close to carbon fiber, so you will be fine with that. And we also get some information right here with a couple of different styles of devices. So we have the S20, S21 Ultra, you know, we have the S21, iPhone 13, maybe iPhone 12 series. We have a Note 20 Ultra right there. So they give you a quick example of what it looks like on different devices. And then we have some information right here. It says Latercase, the impossibly thin phone case, designed in Canada, made with Kevlar. And then it says Pixel 6 Pro Cyber Edition. So they actually have another edition for the Pixel 6 Pro. I didn't really like it. It was like this brownish color, and I personally do really like the black color right here, and that's why I went ahead and got this one. So let's go ahead and open it up. Has a nice magnetic feel right there, as you can see. Just plop it back on. As I said, the packaging does feel really nice and premium. And then we also have the information right here if you didn't see it there. And then we have a nice little pull tab, which we're gonna go ahead and pull out, and we have our case. Nothing else inside of here, so you can go ahead and close this up, toss it to the side. And here we have our Pixel 6 Pro case. So it's not perfectly in place, you know, it shakes around. Maybe that's not the best, but I'm fine with it. This case is ultra thin, and the packaging around it will definitely protect it from anything. So let's go ahead and take it out. We have this nice touch feel right here that keeps the case in there. At Latercase, their Twitter and Instagram, if you want to go check them out. And that is about it for the packaging. So here we have a really thin case, and when you first hold it in your hand, it just doesn't feel real, because I don't know, man. This is going to be my second Latercase, and this still just feels stupidly thin, and it's just not heavy. It's only 10 grams. It's kind of unbelievable. So let's go ahead and quickly pop it into our phone case. So we have really nice cutouts right here. They're made perfectly for your device. As you can see, you know, we have all of our cameras, our flashlight, microphone cutouts, and everything. And I'm sorry if you can hear my bird in the back. It's trying to get inside the room. And let's just go ahead and pop it on. So we have all our cutouts on the sides as well, and then we have very minimal branding, just a Latercase logo right there on the back, on the inside of the case, so you don't even see it on the outside, and the outside just stays really clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my phone down real quick, get this wiped down on my shirt, and then plop it on there. Boom. It's as easy as that. It's on your phone. So it looks really nice, feels really nice. All the cutouts are made perfectly again. And one thing I'd like to tell you is this does not feel really safe. So I feel like if I drop this right now, I'm probably gonna crack it or something, especially with the edge display. The sides are a little lower than usual, as you can see right there. If I can manage to get you guys to show that right there, it's a little lower than the display since it is an edge display, and that's one of the annoying things about it. It looks really nice and clean, however, you know, protection wise it's not the best thing on a phone. And then I've already had an experience of scratching up one of my devices, the iPhone 13 Pro, with the Latercase. I dropped it and I actually scratched the stainless steel frame. I kind of had some dents on it as well, but you know what, it is what it is. If you're somebody that really likes a phone without a case, but you do want a case, then this is the case to get, because I personally don't want to use a case on my devices, but you know, I'm afraid of dropping it and cracking it up, and I really don't want to deal with that, you know, getting a screen replacement, maybe replacing something else. So I went ahead and got this case right here. So about the case, feels really nice in the hand. The texture does feel pretty good. It's like this matte finish, and then it also has like the carbon fiber design right there, which looks really nice as well. It's not the darkest color, so it is a little grayed out, and that's perfectly fine. It looks really nice still. The corners are protected, as you can see. All four corners, they are protected, and they are a little raised. However, they're still not above the display, which is a bummer. But as I said, don't get this case if you're looking for something to protect your phone. This case right here is only for the looks, and it's just for somebody that doesn't want to use their phone bare. So at least you'll have some protection of, at least you'll protect the back portion of your phone with the glass back. So that's, I guess, one of the upsides, but a lot of downsides with this case protection wise. And that's why I keep on telling you guys, it's not for somebody that wants a case to protect their phone. So the price on this thing is actually $45, and it's $45. So when I purchased it, shipping is free, and the total is $45, no tax or whatever. I'm not really sure how that price works, but it is $45 straight, and it's not the cheapest case, but compared to some other cases that I know, maybe from Pitaka, I actually have a Pitaka case as well. I will be posting a video on that soon, but their cases do cost a little more. And this case right here is just a really nice case. Again, it's $45. It's not the cheapest case, but if you want to go for something with style and still gives you a little bit of protection, then this case right here is pretty nice. You know, it adds a nice texture to it, and it just adds to the design of the phone. Even though the phone design, in my opinion, does look better, this still is really nice. The camera cutout is really nice. It's one of the best parts I like about the later cases. My 13 Pro had that as well. It covers up everything, but it's molded perfectly. So as you can see, the camera bump is still there. I know some people might not like that, but the camera bump is still there, and it's just molded across it. It feels like somebody just put this on there and then, you know, use the heat gun to mold it onto there. So that's why this case is one of my favorite cases. So that'll basically wrap up the video. Again, cutouts are made perfectly, and that's basically about it. So the main special thing about this case is it's the thinnest case, and it's, I guess, the one that weighs the less. It's only 10 grams, as I said. And so if you're looking for something like this and you really don't care too much about protecting your phone, but you still do want to have a case with a little bit of protection, then this is something that I would definitely recommend for those people looking out for a case like this. So I will definitely leave a link down below for the Latercase if you want to check it out. And that's basically going to wrap it up. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. It would be great if you guys subscribed and left a thumbs up, because it really helps support the channel. And that will be it. I will see you guys in the next video.